everyone, this is Neva Shrestha and welcome to my channel Time to Reflect. History proves that Greater Nepal belongs to Nepali. Not only Lipu Lake, Limpudhora and Kalapani, whole Greater Nepal belongs to us. And we do have a full rights on Greater Nepal, and we do have lots of facts and evidence Greater Nepal belongs to us. Har Har Mahadev. Now this is the real map of Nepal before Sugauli Treaty. Isn't it look so great like Nepal and Nepalese? Now let's check this out. History of Nepal. As we all know, history never changed. Nepal and Nepalese were independent since birth and it was not ruled by any country. In 1814, British announced a war between Nepal and British. At that time, India was ruled by British and they thought it's gonna be easy to get Nepal. But they were unaware that Nepalese are one-man army. They do have a modernized weapon, but we just have a bhalas and kukri, and this is how we began our war. No matter what, men, women, even kids killed hundreds of British. And British were so scared to see the anger on Nepalese eyes in their history. And yes, we fight like this up to 2 years with the bhalas and kukuris, and British realized that Nepal rise up, they never give up. Yes, and the British came with the conclusion that they're gonna stop this war. Instead of that, they want some of the territories of Nepal, and Nepal decided to agree with that decision. In 1860, Nepal and British did Sugauli Treaty in the place called Sugauli of Nepal, and we lost some of the parts of east and west of Greater Nepal. No matter how many nations British ruled in the world so far, but they always praise and salute Nepal and Nepalese in our history and in our today's world. Nepal history says that in 1950 October 30, Nepal and British voided all the land contract between each other, and we don't have any contract anymore. So this means Sugauli Treaty itself is voided, so we do have a full rights to claim our Greater Nepal that we have lost just because of existence of Sugauli Treaty. As there is no land contract between India and Nepal in our history, it is quite logical and practical to claim Greater Nepal from India. Now, based on Nepal and British history, not only Lipu Lake, Limpudhora and Kalapani, whole Greater Nepal belongs to Nepal, not with India. Well, Nepal is one of the members of United Nations. In accordance to one of the provision of UN, we can claim back our lost territories even after 1,000 years from India. Based on the facts and evidence, what I believe is we have the full right to claim the Greater Nepal from India. So beside Lipu Lake, Kalapani and Limpudhora, let's focus on getting back our Greater Nepal from India. Jai Nepal. As long as sun and moon is there, Nepal always rise up. Never give up. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Har Har Mahadev.